We're going to take a little break from the biohacking tips today. Wanted to shoot you, some new news information, something that, I was a part of today. Something is changing in Cedar Park, in the healthcare of Cedar Park, the community of Williamson County. It is changing. Today, a group of healthcare practitioners got together and we met at a secret location at a secret time. No, just kidding. We met together at Dr. Roy's house today, and we got together. It was and just to network with each other, to talk about how we're going to change, how we're going to get our community, the Williamson County community, out of this healthcare crisis and into more optimal health, and more focused on restoring function. How are we going to get away from doing the Band-Aid method of healthcare to actually helping our patients, our community, actually become self-sufficient and are able, and just to help them restore their function, their body function, so that they're not dependent on any type of crutch. And in this group there were physicians that work in the ER, ICU. There were I believe psychologists. There were dentists that were what do you call those dentists? The ones that extract. The term is escaping my mind. The ones that take out the heavy metal and toxins. Well, anyways, there were nutritionists. There was me. Acupuncturist, #1 acupuncturist in Central Texas, and there was other chiropractors, there was dietitians, there were nurse practitioners, there were nutritionists. Who else were there? There was an astrologist. There were, what other type of healthcare practitioner? Basically, it was a group of practitioners with all the one focus. The focus is to help us get out of the healthcare crisis. And we met for the very first time today because we all have a mission. We have a passion to help our community, to improve function, to get us out of the healthcare crisis. Because if we can do this one community at a time, just imagine, everybody in the community is in better health. We're enjoying life. And not only are we enjoying life, we're being more productive. And the more productive our community members can be, the more we can actually give back to the community. Because it's hard to give back to the community when you feel sick and tired all the time, right? And so, this is just a group, again, with medical doctors, chiropractors, acupuncturists, nutritionists, dietitians, dentists, and some of them were physicians turned functional medicine practitioners. And I practice Chinese medicine, a 3,000-year-old type of functional medicine. And it's just getting together to really see what can we do, how can we make an impact. Because we have to work as a team. If we work individually, then no one individual healthcare practitioner can solve all healthcare problems. That's a fact. So we need to work as a team, and that's what we do at Achieve Integrative Health. We, even though we focus on restoring your functions naturally, it doesn't mean we don't work with your physicians. We actually work with all types of physicians. And the whole goal is to get your body functioning and self-sufficient by itself and not be dependent upon any type of crutch. And so this is the first one of many meetings that we're going to have, and I just wanted to share this great news for y'all because there is something that is changing in the Cedar Park community, the Williamson County community, and we are focused on getting our community into better health. And with better health, then medical costs, we can help at least decrease the medical costs in our community, right? Because it's a drain to society. We have to raise taxes because if people aren't taking care of their health, that's a drain on society. And we need to help people. And a lot of times it's because the public doesn't have the right information. So all these practitioners got together, and we're going to help dispense that information where you can help yourself and be self-sufficient. And of course, if you need that extra help right now, you may be in the crisis mode. You may be in a mode where, man, you've been struggling for this 20 years, 15 years, and you just need that help right now. Well, that's why we were here. Okay, Achieve Integrative Health, the #1 acupuncture and wellness clinic in Central Texas. We've got two locations to help you, one in Central Austin, one in Cedar Park. We're here to help you restore your organ function, and in conjunction with your other healthcare practitioners, whether it be physicians, whether it be chiropractors, whether it be nutritionists, whether it be a nurse practitioner, it doesn't matter. We work with a team. We work with your healthcare providers, and we really do it as a team. It's not just like, I know in Western medicine, they focus on just Western medicine team, right? That's not all encompassing. It doesn't matter that each one of them are specialized. One specializes in heart, one specializes in hormones, one specializes in your bladder, one specializes. That's yes, we need all of those, but we also need services, and that, for example, that my clinic produces, my clinic offers, and that's how to get your organs to do it by itself. That's what we specialize in, getting your body to heal itself like it was doing when you were born, okay? So, but again, we work as a team. If you want us to be, if you're missing this part, many people are missing this part. Many people have all those specialists. They have all the cardiologists, endocrinologists, gastroenterologists, neurologists. They have all of these, family care physicians. They have all of these, but they're missing one huge part, which is the specialist that helps people restore their organ function. And that's what we are at Achieve Integrative Health. We are the specialists at helping you restore organ function. And what that means is getting your organs to do it by itself, getting your organs to heal your body by itself. That's the missing piece. We can help you with that. So give us a call. I'm looking forward to giving you some updates as I meet with these practitioners to really elevate the health of our community.